Rajesh Kumar Langeh, second in command NSG Mumbai, was awarded the prestigious President Police Medal for meritorious services on the 36th Rising Day of the Aligned Counter-Terrorism Task Force NSG the Black Cat. This medal is awarded to the soldiers who excelled in their services, professionally outstanding, honest, and dedicated to the motherland. This award symbolizes the sacrifices made by men in black and recognitions by the countrymen.
Shri Rajesh Kumar Langeh, 2IC 26 Special Composite Group, Mumbai. Shri Asangbang Vitai Gamba Vitai, Team Commander, Training Center.